हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। एक मैंने राइटअप लिखा है इंग्लिश में। इसका जो सेंट्रल आइडिया है वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है। सुनिएगा, शायद आपको पसंद आए। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट ए स्टैटिक थिंग दैट इज सेट अप बिफोर ए स्टेट अपब्रिंगिंग. Even nowadays, many states have dynamic constitution. For example, UK. Her constitution are constitutionally forming, continuously forming, readjusting or amending. Because of changes in the tradition and values of UK society, that's why her constitution is in the form of non-written. Like this, democracy in a particular state always takes shape with time. As an artist before making any picture, as an artist before making any picture, he draw an outline. Exactly the same thing happen in a state for democracy. Constitutional structure, whether it is written or non-written form, act as an outline for growing democracy or for becoming mature democracy. Democracy always take a path when citizens of that country take. That is why Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said in the Constitutional Assembly during execution time of the Constitution that a Constitution will be good if people for them it is are good, a Constitution will be bad if people for them it is are bad. This is sad because Constitution as an outline of democracy always provide us facility to change in the Constitution based on situation or on demand of citizen of India. So finally, democracy is a dynamic concept. It is always in the continuation from immature to the mature democracy. Mature democracy depends on upbringing of a citizen's rights and fundamental duties awareness. If we are aware of rights and duties, and if we are also aware of duty of government and judiciary, then we can give shape to our democracy from immature to mature. If the people or citizen of India are blind enough or uneducated at the level of not knowing what is right or wrong, what are our duties, what are our rights, what are the judiciary's right, what are the press right, what are the government's rights and duties, then this can be tends toward blind democracy. So this is the short notes regarding the democracy and constitution. I think you will like these notes. Thank you so much, dost.